And he became the very first governor to issue a ban on state-funded travel to Indiana as a result. Joining me now from Hartford, Connecticut Mayor Daniel Malloy. Governor, welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Sure, I was a mayor first, and now I'm a governor.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's so awful. Could you tell me what you want Governor Pence to say today when he speaks at 11 a.m. Eastern Time?
Hey, listen, he's trying to be on all sides of this issue all of a sudden. You know, he proudly proclaimed he was going to sign this legislation. He had a public ceremony. He invited people to the ceremony. He knew exactly what he was doing. He was attempting to legalize discrimination against people based on their sexual orientation. The only way to prove that he doesn't support that now is to see the legislature pass a law that guarantees people they'll be free of discrimination based on their sexual orientation. My state did it 25 years ago. Many states have done it. The reality is he got caught. And when he got caught, he didn't realize that even as late as Sunday that he'd gotten caught. He gave that disastrous interview on national TV where he wouldn't even say he was against discrimination. It's time for the people of Indiana to admit that this is an unbelievable embarrassment to their state, a state that houses the NCAA headquarters. Quite frankly, if Indiana doesn't say that they're going to ban discrimination based on sexual orientation, the NCAA needs to move out of Indiana. Indiana houses the home offices of most fraternities and sororities in the country. If Indiana doesn't pass a law that guarantees people that they'll be free of discrimination, those fraternities and sororities need to move out of Indiana. Companies doing business need to move, and they certainly need to not bring people there or cause people to have to travel to Indiana, a state that might discriminate against them unless Indiana is willing to pass this legislation.